we have many more visitors than we expected. Oh. I got a real grown chicken.
Yep. What do you got? I got the video going. Can we see?
Keithy too. Got this one.
Hi, Keithy too. Did she just lay an egg?
No.
Oh, I don't know about having her in here. It'll be an experiment. Just keep an eye on her, okay? Maybe not.
I'm gonna let her out.
Okay.
What?